Hello, welcome to KS2 Singing Assembly. Today we're going to keep going with our Somewhere Over the Rainbow, but we're going to see if we can add something to our banana song. Now, let's just remind ourselves. We go, bananas of the world unite, and then we go, pick bananas, pick bananas, peel, peel, bananas, chop, bananas, mash, bananas, blend, bananas, pour, bananas, drink, bananas, go, bananas of the world unite. Hard to forget. Right, we're going to see if there's more than one of you. Could you try singing this in two different parts? So the first person is going to sing what we just sang, the basic song. But we're going to add another layer, which goes like this. Bananas of the world unite. I'm going to pick. I'm going to peel. I'm going to chop. I'm going to mash. I'm going to blend. I'm going to pour. I'm going to drink. I'm going to go. Bananas of the world unite. Now the bit you've got to get round your head is that I'm gonna is going to happen before the other person goes pick bananas. So it's going to be like I'm gonna, and then pick bananas, pick bananas. I'm going to peel bananas, peel banana. I'm going to okay. So you've got that little run in. Now I can't show you this because there's only one of me. So this is over to you guys. Have an experiment. Also, don't stop at that. How about seeing if you can make this into a bit of a dance? See if you can get some movements. Maybe step, back, step, back. So you're going, bananas of the world unite. Back. And then the one who's going, I'm gonna, is going to be doing, I'm gonna on those back steps. So bananas of the world unite. I'm gonna pick bananas, pick banana. I'm gonna, okay? Experiment. See what you can do with rhythm. Maybe you could get some pots and pans or some pan lids, some wooden spoons, something to have a little bang, make a little bit of percussion. See if you can expand that song. Experiment. And if you do something really wonderful and amazing you want to share, send the school a video. We would love to see. Okay, we'd better do some proper singing warm-up so that we can do our Somewhere Over the Rainbow, because that is quite a sing, that song. Whoops, my chair has become stuck to the floor. Never good. Right, we're going to start with a Are you ready? Oh dear. Blah, blah. Yeah. You. Sing. I can sing. I can sing anything. I can sing anything. Goodness me. Right. I'm getting a bit warmed up. Still a few breaks in my voice. I think you could hear when I was trying to sing down low. There was a sudden moment when it cut out. That's called a break. And that's what singers are always working to get rid of. So it's nice and smooth all the way from the lowest note they can sing to the highest note they can sing. Right. Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Now, last time we looked at the first verse and we looked at the middle eight and we talked about the fact it was going to go back into the first verse again, but it's slightly different. So let's have a look, just remind ourselves of how far we got last time and have a sing through. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Breathe. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. Take a breath. Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. And that's where we'd got up to. Okay. The next bit starts like the first verse. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Exactly the same as the first verse. There's a land that I've dreamed. Sorry, I keep wanting to say dreamed of. There's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. But then instead of going on, we do this little final, it's called a coda. In Italian, that means a tail. It's a little tail bit that brings us to the end of the song. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I? So it's just a little coda. We're going to just practice those two lines. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow. Let's try that. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow. Take a breath. Why, oh, why can't I? Now that last line is full of those diphthongs. Why and I. It's got two little sounds in it, the ah and the e. And remember, we're going for the ah. So it's wah, oh, why can't I? And I promise you, it will sound like why, oh, why can't I? Okay, so let's just try that last line. Why, oh, why can't I? And if you just bring your mouth from the ah sound into a smile, you'll get the I. If you smile, it turns into I, okay? Let's just try those last little sections. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I? Here we go. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I? Okay, are we ready to try the whole thing from beginning to end? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Don't forget that, Mrs. Grayson. Tendency to try and sing dream instead, that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I? Right. Are we ready? Let's give this our best shot all the way through. Here we go. Sit up straight. Maybe even stand up. Would be a very good idea. Here we go. Breathe. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. There's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why oh why can't I? Goodness me, if your cheeks aren't aching after that, I don't think you were doing it right. It's a very smiley song because, do you remember, we're trying to make that big space in the mouth. There's your teeth, there's your soft palate lifting up when you smile. When you've got a sad face, it's got like that. But when you smile, yeah, you can feel the inside of your mouth becoming this big cave of sound. That's what we're looking for. So all the way through this, we want to make sure that we're really smiling. But sometimes the words aren't that happy. For instance, why oh why can't I? Now, here's the trick. Can you make that smiling lift in your inside of your mouth without it being a big, hey, really happy? So, why oh why can't I? And I'm actually trying to make the smile inside my mouth without it showing too much on the outside. That's one of the real things that particularly opera singers have to do when they're acting in an opera, in a play with songs. They need to be looking really miserable or really worried or really angry, but the sound needs to be really strong. So what's happening inside your mouth needs to sometimes be a bit different from what's happening on your face. Quite a challenge. Okay. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. We could just sing that, sing the words, job done, thank you very much, got the notes right, what's the problem? But we could try and add a bit more acting into it. So if you want, this is not compulsory, try and imagine yourself in the film that this comes from, with Judy Garland singing Somewhere Over the Rainbow, The Wizard of Oz, yes? If you've never seen this film, ask your parents to just show you a little clip of it maybe on YouTube, or see if you can find out the story of it. But Dorothy, the heroine of the story, lives in a very flat farmland part of America where nothing is very different, where there's very little colour or excitement or change or difference at all. And she is knocked out during a hurricane, a tornado that comes through her farm, and she has the most amazing dream that she goes to a place called Oz and meets all sorts of incredible characters. But before all that happens, she's singing this song about how she wants more in her life, that her life at the moment isn't enough, and maybe with us all stuck inside and not being able to go out very much, we're all feeling a bit like that there's more world out there and we haven't been able to get to it. That's what this song is really about. So try and bring that feeling into the song. Imagine, if you want, that you are Dorothy in the Wizard of Oz, or just sing this song for all of the children at the moment who can't go outside, who want to go outside, who want to have a more exciting time. It's coming, don't worry, it is. But just at the moment we're missing it, so that's what this song is about. Let's sing it one more time and see if we can really get that emotion. Okay, here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops way above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find we go. How did that feel? Did it make you feel a bit emotional? Sometimes when we really sing a song well, it can take us by surprise and make us feel quite moved. And that's a good thing. That's what singing is for. Anyway, next week we are going to start learning a song from World War II, because next week we are going to celebrate on Friday the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II in Europe, which was called VE Day, Victory Over Europe Day. And there was a song that everybody sang during the war to keep their spirits up. It was We'll Meet Again, famously sung by Vera Lynn. That's what we're going to be learning. Get yourselves ready. See you next time.